Hi guys, today I will show you how to set up TicketBot in Discord. Before I start, I would appreciate if you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. The first step is to go to Google. Then search for Ticket Tool. Click here. Click here. Now log in. Select the server. Now, we go to the name of our server up here. Click on Server Settings. Click on Roles. And we will move the Ticket Tool role down. Save changes. Click on Create Role. Give it a name, in this case, Support. Click on Manage Members. Add members to this role. And select our Discord user. Save changes. Now, right-click here. Create category. Name it Support. Click on the plus symbol. Choose Text Channel and name it Support. Now go back to Google and search Ticket Tool again. Dashboard, log in with Discord. We choose our server. Go to Panel Configs. Click here. And in panel name, we put Support as name. Create. Click on General. Click here and select Support. Save. Click on Back. Click on Category. Here, select Support. Click Save. Back. Click Send. And here, we select Support. Now we are back to our server. And as you can see, we already have the ticket system created, but we are not done yet. Click here in Edit Channel, Permissions, Advanced Permissions. And here we select the red cross in Send Messages. Save changes. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and consider subscribing. Thank you very much.